If you enjoy the taste of freshly brewed coffee but the pods aren't quite hitting the spot anymore, it might be time to step it up by making your own. The Delonghi La'Specialista Arte allows you to explore your coffee creativity to reveal your inner barista. While pod machines bring with them a level of convenience, your flavours are limited to whatever's on the shelf. The Delonghi La'Specialista Arte gives you the freedom to explore different flavours and blends with 8 grind settings to suit your style of coffee beans. The built-in recipe selector dial then lets you choose from single or double espresso, an aromatic and light long black, or the convenience of hot water with the cup support to adjust cup height for any beverage so you can personalise your coffee to taste. For the perfect brew, you need a stable brewing temperature. The active temperature control maintains a consistent water temperature during the coffee brewing process for the perfect extraction. You've got 3 temperature profiles to choose from right on the front control panel, which are tailored to different bean blends and roasting levels, while 2 heating systems ensure coffee and milk can be prepared one after the other with no waiting time in between. The La'Specialista Arte comes with all the tools to get the perfect coffee extraction. The included dosing and tamping guide walks you through precise and even tamping for quality coffee making. You'll also get additional barista quality tools such as a metal tamper, tamping mat, and stainless steel milk jug, fully designed for superior and consistent results, and can be packed away easily with integrated onboard storage. Latte art is a great way to get creative with your coffee making and show off your barista skills to your friends. The steam wand gives you control over the microfoam texture and temperature to help you create the perfect latte art. And thanks to its internal plastic tube, the wand itself is cool to the touch with a reduced temperature on the outside of the metal tube. The least exciting part of any kitchen adventure is the cleanup. To save both time and effort, the La'Specialista Arte comes with dishwasher-safe parts, which can all be easily dismantled after use. Cleaning tools and liquids are both included in the pack for simple maintenance, so your next coffee tastes as good as the last one. For more info on the Delonghi La'Specialista Arte or to find your perfect coffee machine, pop by your local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.